It's a non-communicating system. It's one of the old school systems. Literally, the thermostat is a set of switches inside, and it's going to close certain switches and turn certain things on based on what the temperature is on the room, what mode it's in, and so on. Those types of thermostats are what they are. They are switches. They're not communicating. They're not talking to the systems. And because of that, some of the error messages are going to be, I guess, less complicated. They're going to be, hey, my Wi-Fi isn't connecting right now. That's not a huge concern. The system still should be working, right?